Venomous Man here, and today I'm showing you my cat house. It's right here. Okay, I was making it with my dad, so my cat went inside it. Here, let me get this down. Sorry, guys. We put green duct tape right here, so when the sun goes in, it's green, but duct tape doesn't hold. So my cat went inside there. Sorry if you can't see. There's a cut right there. Here, I'll show you right here. There's 2 layers. My cat broke the first layer, and then she broke the first layer and couldn't get to the top. So I'm gonna get more cardboard and fix it. Yep. I gotta cut all this, and I need to get more duct tape. So, and comment down below, Team Venomous Man. No, Team Man, boys. Team Man, and Team Man. Team Man. And I'm trying to learn how to do some gaming videos. But yeah. Oh, you guys want to see my bike? Here, let's go right here. Okay, so there it is. I decorated with some web. So hold on. YouTube, hold on. Here. Okay, close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. That's my treehouse with all that web. Spooky. Happy early Halloween. Okay, we're going back to the box. Okay. And all of you, every single one that watches this video, I need you all to put #man, #Damian Mason, and that's my real name. Go down in the comments below. I will give you a few channels like Guava Juice or Venomous Gaming, or DanTDM. They're one of my favorites YouTubers, and see you later, YouTube. Peace.